I'm going to show you what's inside my sewing kit. A tape measure is used to primarily for taking body measurements, as well as for drafting patterns, measuring fabric, laying on patterns on fabric, specifying the length of a garment, checking the size of hems, measuring curves and corners, and measuring curtains, quilts, and much more. Next, I have hand sewing needle. No surprises there. They come in different sizes and shapes for different purposes, so it is important to match the hand sewing needle to your project. Some have sharp tips for piercing, tightening, wooden fabric, and others have blunt tips or slipping between the five. And we have sewing scissors, are a tool for making multiple cuts to fabrics or threads. They are used to cut patterns, sewing allowances, or to perfect garments. They are a special tool for embroidery work, and they are pointed, making them easier to work with delicate fabrics and threads of different thicknesses. And here's some threads. Threads are used to form a stitches that holds the fabric parts together. They can be described by fiber type, construction, and size. Threads can be made by single fiber type such as cotton, linen, silk, rayon, nylon, polyester, or rubber, or combination fibers such as cotton and polyester. And we have a needle threader. A needle threader is a device for helping to put thread through the eye of a needle. Many kinds exist. Through common type combines in short lengths of fine wire beds into a diamond shape, with one corner held by a piece or tin plate or plastic. And lastly, we have pins or straight pins. Pins or straight pins are used to fabric together at the same line. Before sewing, they temporarily hold fabric in place while attaching in cutting patterns and while sewing or pressing.